So I'm going to show you how to use the COVID-19 checklist in Procore. So go ahead and either on your tablet, your smartphone, or your computer, you can open up Procore. Once you're in Procore, you can go to your respective job. So let's just use Shay's job at 142 Maroon Creek. Once you're in the job homepage, go ahead and click on the project tools. Under project management, you'll click inspections. So this is where you're going to have your checklists. Every day you can come in here, and when your workers come onto site, you can just click create and you'll see COVID-19 worker safety checklist. Go ahead and click that. So this first page, you don't really need to enter any of this stuff. This is all if you wanted to change some of the checklist, but since it's already been created, you can just create that based off of the template. So in here, you're going to see just the general information. You scroll down, this is where you're going to enter the workers' information, and you can see here's the second workers, third, and there's a bunch to enter. It's pretty straightforward, so you can just enter the subcontractor's name. So let's go with MS Services. You could enter Miguel, mode of transportation, own car, or you could do carpool with whoever. You can also add comments if you need. Then temperature, you take his temperature, you could say safe, you could say 98.5, or whatever the temperature comes up with. Other symptoms, this is where you could say cough, you could say not applicable, if there are no other symptoms. Access to area, so for instance for Mike's job, you can say enter through pool area, or enter through front door. And then you can go to the second worker. We should have all of these workers' information, like their phone number, their email. So we don't need to put that in. If we do want to change this setup, just let me know and I can add those if you think it's necessary. So once you're done putting all of these workers' information, you can just click close. You can say okay, and then you're done. You can scroll back up. If you go back to the inspections tool, say you go back out for the next wave of workers that are coming onto site, you can just click create COVID-19 safety workers checklist, and then create this checklist. This is the exact same thing that we just went through, and then you put all the information in these responses. This will be able to have all of our data centralized in Procore, and if you're wondering about specific days, I can run reports for you and get you that information. Thanks, and let me know if you have any questions.